Guys, so I'm at Aeon Mall and I'm gonna have the world's famous ramen, and this is some gyozas. Let's do a quick taste test of the broth. This is basically a fish cake. It has a nice smoky aroma to the broth. Yeah, quite good. The gyozas here. Let me try the noodle here. Yeah, that's really good. Let's try this out. Wow, that tastes really fresh. It's full of juice in the middle. It's not like overcooked or anything. It's really good. Let me check out. If you haven't pressed on, guys, with a little subscribe. Alright guys, I'm back. So I'm at the Aeon Mall, and this is what I ordered at the kiosk there. They take credit cards, so not a lot of places take credit cards, so we just kind of neat. So we got miso soup. We got some. This is tonkatsu. I think this is just lettuce or cabbage or some sort. And then we got the pickle. And then we got some white rice. So let's check this out and see what it tastes like. Alright, so let's do a quick taste test, see what this is. Right there. Okay, so that's lettuce with tonkatsu sauce. It's kind of like it's almost like a sweet and sour sauce. Let's try this miso soup, see if it tastes different here. Oh, it does have a different flavor. It tastes like the miso. It doesn't taste super strong. And this is some kelp. Yeah, it has a nice like a bonito flake flavor to it. This is the pickle. Let's try this out. Yeah, it's good. It tastes like the pickles that they use in sushi. And let's try the rice. This is probably just regular rice. Yep, quite good. Let's try this Let's try the meat out now. Okay, so the meat is very tender. It has a nice crispy skin. It's almost like you're eating chicken. It's really good. If you haven't pressed the comments, guys, please subscribe to the channel.